Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of October 9th, 2012. The charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess. And the first chart is a weekly bond market. And while bonds have been primarily sideways for quite some time here, they are starting to show signs of the potential to trend down. I want to mention potential. We'll get into that in a second. Without any trading on Monday, they've had a very small week so far here for the Tuesday session. It's inside the last week and it's hanging right around the 147.28 area, a little bit either side of it here. The nearest areas we have are support down around 146.08 and resistance at 149.12. Now, believe me, global economic conditions might be such that this market will turn and rally right up out of here and even break out to the upside. It's not that there isn't upside potential. But at this point, we're starting to make lower swing lows and lower swing highs. And if they turn and take out this 144.16 area here, uh, you just have to honor the chart. You can't argue with the market that's making lower highs and lower lows. So they are showing the potential to trend down here, and it just pays to be on guard for that, I think. Now in stocks, all they have is a little tiny sideways pattern after a big rally. They had a very unusual employment Friday in that they broke down later in the day than they normally do if they're going to reverse on the report, and closed weak and then closed very weak again on Tuesday. Monday was kind of a partial day due to the holiday. They're either out of gas right in here and should find support somewhere in around 1433 or slightly lower here. If they break and take out the little swing low here, we could be down below 1400. I think this moving average, the mid Keltner band, is 1393. That don't necessarily turn the trend negative, but it would be a pretty big break. And of course, the initial resistance up here is 1461, but we've got the old highs and all kinds of things to play around with. I can only say that they are showing signs that they may have run out of gas here. This looks like a full-blown test of the highs here, especially on a daily chart where they're spread out further. This looks like a full-blown test of the highs. If that fails and they do take out this area here and head down lower, uh, you'd have to think that's an indication that they might be trending down also. At this point, I'm still looking for them to find support here and at least test back up to the 1445 area here, but probably 1460 again. But even one more new high would bear watching. If they make a new high and less momentum, that could be an indication that this is distribution here and they're ready to take them apart. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for looking in to see what we think.